22, it says using synthetic division, determine whether the numbers are zeros of the polynomial function. So we are given two numbers, -2 and 1. Then the question asks you to use the synthetic division to check whether these are zeros. What does it mean by these are zeros? It means that check whether f of -2, is it equal to 0 or no? Check f of 1, is it equal to 0 or no? Or h, sorry, we have h here, not f. So h of 2, h of 1. Okay, it's exactly the same as the previous problem. In the previous problem, we used the remainder theorem, okay, and we checked the remainder. Now this question says, f of -2, is it a 0? So you need to check the remainder. If the remainder is 0, then yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it is correct. If the remainder is not 0, no, it's not correct. So what do? We are going to use the remainder theorem. Refer to the previous video for what is the remainder theorem. And I don't need this. This is from the previous one. So I'm going to check the first one and leave the second one to you. So the synthetic division, what is the coefficients? We have 1, we have 3, we have 2, and we have -7, and we have 1. Then I'm going to divide by -2, the 0, okay? Then I'm going to bring down the 1. 1 times -2 is -2. Add these two guys, you get 1. Multiply, you get -2, 0, 0, -7, then -7 here we have 14. Add these guys, you get 15. So this is my remainder. The last one you get is your remainder. So immediately, what can you say? You can say f of -2 is equal to 15, is not equal to 0. So -2 is not what? A 0 of the function. F of h of x.